Hi, it's Emilia Arau with Pacific Union International, and today I want to invite you to my open house happening in Encino. This is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath loft style lease for $1850. Address 5460 White Oak Avenue A312. So it's building A, third floor, unit 312. And being in the unit 312 in the third floor gives you the chance to have this view from a balcony. That's White Oak Avenue, so you're far from the street. You have treetop view, sunny skies, and you have the upstairs 1-bedroom, 1 full bath, and then you have half a bathroom here, closet space. There you go. And you have the kitchen. It has new floors, painted, everything new painted, recently painted, really comfortable, and of course, lots of natural light. 310-963-0683, and I'll see you here, or call me or text me for a private showing. Bye.